Well, it's been a hot minute. It's been a couple weeks since I posted a video, and the other video I posted wasn't actually really a video, if we're honest. Yo, I am getting my bus prepped because tomorrow is the day that I get my license back. So, this video, the reason behind this is that my channel is definitely changing. I think it's time to take a different look at life. As you know, I've been living my life in a very nomadic way. Well, that's very nice, and there's a lot of benefits to that. My life doesn't really have any direction at all. This is a direct object of what my life is right now. It's basically just like flying by the seat of my pants. So basically, I'm at the point in my life where I'm like, when am I ever gonna do anything? I am lost, so to admit that I'm lost is one thing, but also it means other people are lost too. And I can only imagine how many people actually feel like I feel too. So it's basically given me this awakening of like, the past way that I've been living is not gonna be the future way that I've been living. My past videos aren't like going to be what the future videos are gonna be. And again, I don't even, like I said, really know what that looks like. And it's more like not about me. Like I've looked at all my old videos, and it's just about like, oh, look at how cool I am. Look at this cool thing I'm doing. Who wants to see that really? Like, but if it doesn't have like a reason behind it, if it doesn't have like an underlying intention that's not to serve other people, I don't understand what the point of that is. Well, I do. I know that I've just been doing it for my own significance. So for the future, my videos will be more you-centric versus ego-centric. Peace.